Hi guys!
Hello!
Are you ready for the mask-a-thon? Do you have your mask ready? Did you get your Sturm mask? If not,
We have a solution for you with three very simple ingredients that you hopefully have at home. Avocado, full-fat Greek yogurt, and honey.
What's the benefit of the avocado, Charlie?
The avocado has very nourishing oils for the skin, so it's very hydrating and nourishing. And
Anti-inflammatory.
it's anti-inflammatory. Oh, and it has vitamin E and C in it as well.
Yes.
So it's a great ingredient.
What about the
Then
yogurt, Charlie?
Yogurt has probiotics, so it's great for red and irritation, and it actually also has zinc in it, which helps with acne.
Very good. Honey?
Honey is an anti-inflammatory ingredient. It also helps break down dead skin cells, and it's also very hydrating and nourishing, and it also helps control oil production levels.
So it's antibacterial.
Great ingredients,
Yes,
I would say.
amazing ingredients.
Technically all edible as well.
We mix
but
it.
We'll use them for our faces.
Mix it all together. Everything together. It's so good, guys. You will love this mask.
Yeah, so if you don't have a mask sachet or a Sturm mask or any other mask you want to use, this is your go-to for today.
Especially in the summer month, I really love it because yogurt has also a cooling effect.
Yeah, it feels great.
It feels so
It's very
great.
soothing, it's so very hydrating,
I
moisturizing.
can't wait for you all to wear your mask on Saturday. Tune in on Saturday. We have the most amazing guests joining us. You will have the best time, promise. And it will be informative and educational and entertaining. And here's your mask ready to go.